Hey everyone, Evie here. Lately, my subscribers have been buzzing about investments, debating where, how, and what the most effective way to invest is. So in this video, I'll dive into the most interesting methods and explain step by step how I reached a stable, comfortable life. Turn up the volume, grab a drink, and let's get started. Method 1. Trading. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Trading is my favorite way to invest. I'm gonna show you how it works step by step. Alright, I have very basic settings here. Investment amount 50, trade time frame 1 minute, assets 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. Today's indicators are going to be zigzag and super trend. Zigzag depth parameter is gonna be at 5 and we're gonna set super trend multiplier to 2. Alright, we're all set now. Camera rolling and action. Let's see what we have here. Everything points to a downward movement. Why? Here are 2 reasons. The red super trend line is sharply pointing downwards. The bearish candles on the chart are longer and more powerful, which means that sellers, aka bears, are currently in control. Let's look at the chart and see if my predictions is correct. Not bad, right? Want to try trading without risking your investments? Hop over to my Telegram channel. We already have over 14,000 members trading together. I've helped many people achieve their goals and I constantly receive messages of gratitude from them. I share my 8 years of trading experience and help the members make around 650 per session. Join the channel and trade with us without any risk. The link is in the description under the video or in the first pinned comment. Let's see what we have here. Everything points to an uptrend. Let's test it out. The situation is quite clear. Both indicators suggest that the upward movement will continue. Additionally, the bullish candles on the chart are much stronger than the bearish ones, indicating the current trend's strength. Now you see why I love this investment method so much. I'm sure you do. Now we have the Cisco stock chart in front of us. I'm adjusting over here and expecting Cisco to increase. Again, the indicators suggest that the trend will continue. The candles show that the buyers have the upper hand here. Remember, in this market, we don't benefit from the difference between buying and selling. Like with stocks, we grow our deposit if we choose the correct asset movement direction. Why am I smiling? Because why not? I've worked hard and learned a lot, and now I'm reaping the rewards. Alright, let's talk about other investment options. Option 2. Buying digital currency. Yep, it's true. If you look at the charts of different digital currencies, you'll see they've shown some crazy growth historically. But predicting if this will happen again is tough. Plus, they aren't backed by anything, unlike government currencies that we use to buy groceries. When I work with assets backed by something real, I can be confident that any drop is temporary and I can predict their movement with technical analysis. If you want to use technical analysis but don't know how, join my club, where I break down all the basics of trading in simple terms. Even beginners can understand. Remember, I've been doing this for over 8 years and I get the direction right 88.9% of the time. I share my knowledge completely for free. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Telegram and I'll get back to you. Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment. Okay, now let's talk about investment method 3, buying shares. It is a classic option that is quite popular, but let's be honest, it's a little outdated. Shares can bring good returns in 2 scenarios. If you buy a huge block of shares in a company that pays regular dividends, or if you get lucky and buy shares at a low price that increase over time. It's a good option for those who have the capital and the patience to wait for returns. However, you are not likely to achieve significant results with a small capital. Of course, you could invest 1,000 and wait for 10 years, but it requires considerable patience. Trading, on the other hand, honestly, maybe I love trading so much simply because I'm good at it. But take a look. For instance, trade number 4. Next up, we have Intel. I'm looking at the chart and going short. The candle hit the resistance level, it couldn't break last time, and it looks like it won't break through this time either. That's it. Trading allows me to act decisively without waiting for weeks, months, or years for results. Moving on, and here I see that in the near future we should expect a drop. Buyers couldn't breach the resistance level on their second attempt, And super trend shows no upward movement either, which means a price drop is inevitable. Well done, Evie! Well done! And you avoid the wild volatility of those trendy digital currencies. This market feels way safer, if you ask me. Cisco shares. Here we go for an upward movement. The chart is nearing the resistance level, where a breakthrough attempt typically occurs in 99% of cases. Another perfect forecast, thanks to technical analysis. No wild guessing. The Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. I'm boosting my investment to 2,500, hitting the lower button. There is a strong downward trend here, and both indicators agree it would continue. By the way, the maximum investment amount of 2,500 ensures my funds are well protected in the final trades of the session. Let's proceed to the last trade. Intel chart goes for an upward direction. Zigzag shows that the candle has hit a local minimum and it's going up. A beautiful close to the final trade, and today I reached 6,804. Who remembers where I started trading today? I believe there is no doubt left that trading is the most effective method of investing. And the most important thing for successful investing is to have a goal. For example, decide what kind of a car you want to buy or where you want to travel. Or maybe you're planning to buy a house? The next step is to watch me trade in real time. Learn how it all works. If something's unclear, ask me a question directly. And let's start with 2 simple steps. First, subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. And second, send me a direct message. Join my club quickly because it's completely free for the next few days. And then we'll work together towards achieving our goals. The link is waiting for you. That's all for now. See you on the channel. Peace out.